everyone, today I would like to show you this Jellyfish aroma diffuser. It comes with a cable cord, pretty long. To show you design. It will be great idea as a present or for yourself, of course, especially for people with allergy. So you can put some water inside and your favorite essential oil. As well, it comes with instruction and with remote controller. All right, so let's add some water inside. I love the design, it looks so stylish. There's a max line and a couple of drops my favorite essential oil, mint. Right, it's enough. Let's close it. This way. Done. All right, and let's plug in. You can place it next to your bed or you can leave it in your office. Right, you can use a remote controller or here's the buttons. Let me show you right here. On and off. Start working. You can switch it. You can set timer 4 hours or 8 hours. And lights. Looks so cool. Different lights. So I will show you how it's look like nighttime. And this is how it's look like nighttime without light. You can change the colors. So cool. Wow. Look like magic lamp. Let me turn on the light. Looks so cool. Plus it smells amazing. Guys, I will send this super cool aroma diffuser for review and I will definitely recommend you to buy it. It comes with a remote controller. You can switch lights as well. You can set up timer 4 or 8 hours. You can use it as a night light, for example. Will be great idea as a present. Beautiful decor for your house and apartment. So you can always find it on Amazon.